What's up, guys? Welcome back to another So Your Wife Wants You To. I'm Steveo. Today we are replacing a glass top on a stove. Let's take a look. Here's the new one. My guess is wife will want me to sweep when I'm done because we got packing peanuts everywhere. Take a look. See the hairline crack? So we are going to put the new one on. First step is to unplug it, get all the power out of it. Next step, there are some screws right here. We're going to get those out. Next step, surprisingly, that is all that's holding this thing on, is 3 screws. But next step, put on gloves. Thick leather gloves, because especially if you've got something broken glass, you don't want to open yourself up. Then we're going to pull on this, and there's 2 tabs, like right here and right here, that we're going to have to get out. Once you get those, we're going to prop it up with a piece of wood or some other type of prop. Okay, we got it propped open. Next step is taking these brackets off. So 1, 2 screws there, 1, 2 screws there, and then on the other side. 1, 2, 1, 2. As you're taking these off, you'll realize there's also a couple of screws here that you'll have to get. As these burners start coming down, because you're taking screws out, you want to kind of cushion them so that you can get them down without them falling. So I just put a bunch of plastic in here, and it kind of, as they fall, they kind of just pillow onto the plastic. Keep in mind any screws that are attached to a ground, you want to make sure you reattach those. Once you get the brackets all unscrewed, it should just lift right up. Now we just put the new one on and screw everything back in. Okay, once you're all zipped up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws. Got all the grounds connected. You're ready to put this thing back on. Keep in mind we still have these other screws that's going to attach this. Also, if you put foreign material in there like plastic, make sure every last little bit of it is out. At the very least, it's going to stink really bad. At the very worst, it could cause a fire. Once the screw holes line up, just screw it back on. Next step, plug it in. Wives like things that are nice and clean, so I cleaned it off. Now let's test it out. So these are working. So there you go, guys. That is it. Links to everything that I use will be in the description, and we will see you in the next one. Get back to work.